what it is, boys. We got the Polaris Highlifter in front of us. My brother's gonna get a feel for what she's like. The 4x's working. Low gear. Let's give you a test.
I've been across, boys.
Put some distance in case she gets sticky. Tough to keep your ass straight. Gotta be a little deeper.
Back end wants to pick up.
She's an orchestra! The beautiful sound of the RDAWCs, boys!
High five! I went over that island. I was like,
Where's that big ball of stag?
Nice, that's perfect. I like that. Woo, baby. Yeah. Let's do it again. That is perfect level, bud. That's perfect fucking play level. Yeah, I like that. Didn't come up to snorkel. No, fuck no. Here. Oh no, that sounds cool. Your snorkels, man.
It does, doesn't it? No. Yeah, she's working good too, man. I'm very happy. Very happy. It's fun to be riding the old Rennies.
Yeah. This fucking thing's loose. I need to tighten up a couple bolts under here. What's loose? The two bolts I think holding the bumper on underneath. Try to give her a push from here.
Oh, somebody's jetting in. Who's that? more straggler.
Hey, where's your buddy Richard? He didn't come today?
No, he had a wrong part come in. Yeah, you gotta thank the old Cartronics in Kingston, Ontario for that one.
Oh, I heard it.
Elemental ATV did not get to make her, boys. Go easy. Get them skag balls, they'll throw you right off.
Yeah, the wicked, they're floating right across.
Oh, there's a huge island. We had no choice. Go right straight over it, too.
Yeah, you can squish them right down.
Oh, is that Philip? Hey, Troy! Is that Philip?
Probably.
Nice brand new 2018 Highlifter. We got our buddy Philip. And we're good friends from back here, North 7. And he is working that Polaris, boys. Easy, stay off that side, fuck! Attaboy, Phil, attaboy! Yeah, you did! Keep her moving.
Never sit for a second.
Whoa, he's fucking in her up to his armpits. Come on, Phil, you got her, buddy. You got her.
He's wet.
Yeah, he is now, for sure. Crawl that baby up and out of there. Yeah, buddy. You got off the beaten path, you did. Right to the fucking armpits. Right here. Man, that looks nice.
I launched her off.
Yeah, you did. And you gave us a show. Attaboy. You missed it! Buddy, he got her spun sideways. He was right to his armpits.
You got her?
A little bit, yeah. Yeah. That was the dicey one, that was. Oh, it's great. All right, boys, we're gonna get back to you here in a minute. Good time, successful crossing.
You got to get a picture of this guy with an umbrella.
Rich walking with an
Almost knocked me over.
Huh?
Keeps camera clean.
Yeah, buddy. I'm singing in the rain. Spin that thing, spin it.
He said that's a good picture. And that's what that spoiler thing. You got a man up to his waist and walk.
Here, give me that, sir. Let's see that. You gotta get the. Da, 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 da. What a beautiful day. Instagram that mother. Wow. It's a fucking wet day, boys. This is the old Suzuki and shit. I love it. I love that. I ripped the Razor for a few years. Yes, I saw that. Yeah, 900, wasn't it? 900, yeah. Yep. Yep, the XD was fucking awesome. You going for the rag?
Going for the rag,
Or should we leave them off till the lunch spot?
Well, yeah.
What are we getting on the road? Nothing, right?
Well,
Water in the camera, you have to be seconds. You're still recording, you mind? Not on, right?
no. Mine on?
Yeah.
All right. Shut her down.
Turn it on.